Buyers deal with their losses. One of the things they will be dealing with is insurance.
There can sometimes be a lot to navigate when it comes to filing claims. Mahsa Saeidi is live in Altadena with some important information for homeowners. Mahsa?
Juan, Amy, it is just stunning to see this devastation up close. Dana's going to zoom in and show you what's happened to a beloved church here in the community of Altadena. A short time ago, a deputy rolled by and he told me that he grew up attending this church. Now it's gone, home after home destroyed. The only thing that we can make out here is the washer dryer. We've been watching some flames popping up down there, and over there we can make out the front door, and that is about it. Now, industry experts tell me that once the fire is under control, it's likely that Los Angeles and the state is going to face another crisis having to do with insurance. A surreal scene in Altadena, rows of homes flattened, cars burnt out. At first eerily quiet, then suddenly deputies on guard for potential looting took off. Later off camera, we were told it was a false alarm. But right now, looting a true threat. Anthony Nara and his family boarding up windows. Their home, one of the few on this block, still standing.
The damage is smoke damage. It's not livable.
Nara says his homeowner's policy is with Safeco Insurance. In a few hours, he's calling his agent.
How long have you been with them?
The entire time we've been up here, 21 years.
And never filed a claim?
Never filed a claim, thankfully.
Long before Tuesday, the state's insurance market was troubled. While the magnitude of the loss isn't known, industry experts say insurers are likely on the hook for billions, deepening the crisis. State Insurance Commissioner Ricardo Lara.
My primary concern at this very moment is to ensure that wildfire survivors receive the insurance benefits to which they are entitled to.
Another concern, fear that insurers will drop homeowners. Commissioner Lara just issued an order preventing that for fire survivors. For 1 year, insurers can't cancel or refuse to renew policies for homes in a zip code in or adjacent to the fire perimeter.
The last thing you should be worrying about is your insurance.
In the midst of so much destruction, the community hopeful for better days.
When you look at the birds, what do you think?
You know, they're survivors like everyone else up here. They're survivors, and they've somehow found a way to make it through one of the craziest things that's ever happened in the city of LA.
And Mahsa, you know, like that gentleman in your story, so many people have never filed an insurance claim. So what should they do in this situation?
So first, be ready and have a lot of patience because it is going to be tough. You want to get a notebook first, and you want to document all your interactions with the insurance company. Who did you talk to? The date, the time, what did they tell you? And before you hire an adjuster, you want to make sure that they're legit and they're licensed. You can look up that information on the state website. Now, if you prefer to get some help in person, the insurance commissioner has launched a free 2-day workshop happening on January 18th and 19th at Santa Monica College. The state is going to be there. Representatives from various insurance companies are going to be there. So if you like to handle things in person, I recommend that you check that out. But we want to be here for you. So as you are going through this, if you're running into problems, please let us know. We want to document what's going to be a very difficult process for thousands of Californians. Back to you guys.
Mahsa, such important information. I can only imagine if you're a senior or somebody who's not familiar with filing a claim or whatnot, makes it all that more difficult. Thank you so much for that report.